case. I'm not sure this time, huh? You are telling, no, this is easy. No, it is little bit difficult, right? Correct now? Little bit difficult. We have to prepare. Don't write anything, don't discuss anything now. So they are asking, we have to prepare, we have to find out profit as per cost as well as profit as per financial, right? They are asking that only. So material cost is 81,900. Correct now? 81,900 for Supreme. For Majestic, 3 lakh 26,040. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
I'm preparing for cost sheet. Cost sheet we are writing material first now. Material. What material? 81,900 plus
3,26,040.
how much the total of?
4,07,940.
940, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So he said material, they are telling, say find out, last I'm reading, find out profit as per financial account, assuming that actual work expense amounted to rupees
1,92,060.
and office expense rupees 1,40,400. These two are different, rest are same only. Correct, Amma? These two are different because in cost sheet they are telling 80%, correct, right?
Yes.
Works expense charged at 80%, labor office expense at rupees 50%. They are telling that was the difference. Rest are same only. So material here how much we paid? 4,07,940. Here also same, right?
Yes,
They are
sir.
not telling different on this. It's also same. We are preparing trading account, right? Trading as well as profit loss account. Trading as well as profit loss account. I am not bifurcating. I am writing debit and expenditure, trading income only. So total material 4,07,940. Next what? Labor. So labor both Supreme and Majestic 46,800 plus
2,09,760.
together
2,56,560.
2,50,000,
560.
56,000, 560. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This total becomes what? Prime cost now? Prime cost. How much now?
66.
6,54,500.
64,500.
64.
500.
Correct amount?
Yes,
This
sir.
total prime cost. Again, selling
Selling
price rupees 3,000 per unit. Supreme, Majestic, TV set, both are same, right?
Yes, sir.
Per sets they are selling. So next what? Add factory overhead no man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Cost sheet this one, right?
Yes, sir.
After getting prime cost, we have to add factory cost. Factory cost what they are telling? Work expense are charged at 80% on labor. Correct, Amma? 80% on labor. What labor here?
2,56,560.
80% on 2,56,560.
5,248.
2,05,000.
248. Correct. Correct. Yes, sir.
2,05,000.
248.
This is work expenditure, right? Correct, huh? This is that only. Now I am adding this. Work cost are factory cost are.
8 lakh.
Work cost are factory cost. How much total?
8,69,748.
48, right?
Yes, sir.
8 lakh.
69,748.
What we have to add now?
Administration.
What you know, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Add administration overhead. And then what is given?
Office expense. Office expense.
Office expense, right?
Yes, sir.
50% on
Work cost.
15% on work cost. That is given. This one, right?
Yes, sir.
8,69,748.
Divided by into 50%. 1,30,460.
0.2 ah?
Yes. 0.2.
Point
Okay, sir.
Cell
Add करवा
8, 6.
7 4 8.
10 lakh total na?
Yes, sir.
10 lakh total, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct na?
Yes, sir.
So this is what? Cost of production. We don't have any ad, selling and distribution. That is not there, right? Correct, Amma?
Yes, yes.
So 10 lakh,
Selling.
210 na?
Yes, sir.
10 lakh 210. So this is cost of goods sold, right?
Yes, sir.
Cost of
Selling
goods sold.
price.
Selling price. We are writing last now. Sales we are writing where?
Selling and distribution.
That is not selling expenditure. That is selling price per unit they are telling, right?
Yes, sir.
3,000 per unit. So we are writing last what? Sales now.
Yes, sir.
How much they sold now? 286. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
286 into 3,000. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
One more thing they sold both. 286 what they sold? 78, huh? 78 this one, huh?
78.
78 this one.
Supreme 78.
78 next one, Maro?
286.
286 Majestic.
Both are same, right?
Yes, sir.
Total what?
78 divided by
Together you have to tell.
2 into
First to multiply these two things, add. This we add both now. First you multiply these two. These
1 lakh
10 lakh. Check once.
10 lakh.
Correct, right? We are getting profit or what? Profit or loss?
फिर उसे 20 इंटू कर
What we are getting? Because this less, no? Cost of goods sold is less only. We receive more, so we are in profit position. So that difference is profit only. 91,007. Correct, huh?
286
Correct, Amma? Any doubt? We prepare based on cost sheet. Correct, right? Any doubt? So this cost sheet. Now I am comparing with sales. Both are same, right? I said both are same. Sales how much job? 10 lakh 92,000. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Now we are preparing financial account. Material I was saying. This also network endless to labor. 2,56,560. Correct, right? But factory cost they said something different. Check now. Work expenditure how much? 1,92,060. Correct, right?
Yes.
What's your doubt now? So that is based on cost sheet. This is we are doing financial records. In financial, material and labor always same only. There is no comparison. 99%. 99.9% of the same. They are not telling any difference. But what they are telling difference means work cost only. Work cost based on percentage. Here they are getting exact amount paid. How much paid now?
1,90,000.
Work expenditures. Work expenditure how much?
1,92,060.
92,060. See, here we estimate this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, this much is factor expenditure. Work expenditure this only. Work expenditure we paid estimate this much, but paid this much, right? We estimate this, paid this. So less only, sorry, less paid, right?
Yes, sir.
We estimate more, paid less. That is income. Later we'll think about it. So next to office expenditures. To office expenditures. Total
1,40,400.
400.
Yes, sir.
1,40,000.
400.
There is no selling expenditure also. Correct, right now?
Yes, sir.
I am closing this one. This one remove. 10,92,000 more. 10,92,000. What difference? This is profit, right? From this you subtract. So don't discuss. Be silent. If you are not getting asked. 95,000.
40.
40, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So this is profit as per financial. This is profit as per which you want to prepare? Cost only. I'm doing cost only. So profit as per cost. How much of? 91,790. Add what ma? Income, right? Less.
Expenses.
Correct, right? See, now I'm comparing. Now I'm comparing both the records. Don't write that. Don't write down. Who's writing? Don't write. See, material here also same. Here also
Same.
There's no different, right?
Yes, sir.
Here same. Here also same. Correct, now? Sales also same. Here also same. Correct, right? No difference on top. See, factory expenditure how much, right?
1,248.
5,248, but paid
1,92,060.
We are in income portion, right?
Yes, sir.
We estimated more, but paid
Less.
Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is overvaluation, right?
Yes, sir.
Overvaluation. Overvaluation of what, ma?
Factory over.
Our expenditure, right?
Yes, sir.
Expenditure.
So 2 lakh something you can someone say.
2,05,000 to
5,000.
428.
428,
2,248.
48.
Minus 1,92,060.
Difference amount of
13,188.
anyone.
13,188.
188,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So this is also over, right? Correct, Amma?
Yes, sir.
This is over. Now,
Administrative.
office expenditure, right?
Yes, sir.
1,30,462. 1,30,462. Here, paid more, right?
Yes, sir.
Paid more, not ma?
Yes, sir.
We estimated less, paid more. So this is
Undervaluation.
undervaluation of office expenditure, right?
Yes, sir.
1,40,400
Minus
1,30,000.
462. 9,938. 938. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, here also this is over, right?
Yes, sir.
See, rest all we compared. Correct, no? Nothing is left out. Check once on these two records. Anything left out?
No, sir.
By comparison, anything is missing on.
No, sir.
So now I'm closing everything. We have only one income, right?
Yes, sir.
And I'm adding 1 lakh, so 13,188.
Plus 790.
Anyone have fast?
4,978. 1,04,978.
978, ah?
Yes, sir.
Only one expenditure,
Amount
9,938.
95,040.
5,000.
40.
So this is correct now?
Yes, sir.
Profit as per. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
इसमें कहाँ है देखो